All cheers and smiles as these police officers and paramedics celebrate a legal win.
I think that speaks volumes for how my clients feel about the decision.
That decision that the QAS and QPS's mandated vaccination policies breached part of the Human Rights Act. Because of this, a Supreme Court judge ruled the directive by the Police Commissioner during the pandemic was unlawful. The direction given around the same time by the Director General of Health was also found to be ineffective and of no force.
They're being vindicated. A lot of them, some of them have been facing disciplinary proceedings, and hopefully now that will see an end to all of that. So, it's a good win.
Several other grounds argued by the groups were not established, including limitations placed on their human rights to not be forced into medical treatment. In a summary of his lengthy judgment, Justice Glenn Martin said although each of the directions limited the rights of requiring an employee to undergo a vaccination without their full, free and informed consent, the limit was reasonable in all the circumstances.
So I just want to make it very clear we're considering the decision, but it was a decision about how directions were issued, not the fact that mandatory COVID vaccinations were contrary to human rights.
This is the first legal test of many challenging their workplace mandates in Queensland, and many cases are still pending. But for now, the ones in this case will no longer face any disciplinary proceedings. Mandates for both organisations have since been lifted, but for some workers, the damage has already been done.
I think there's a lot of rebuilding to be done, and hopefully whoever the new commissioner is will set upon that task with gusto.
In a statement, a police spokesperson said the service acknowledged the court outcome and would carefully consider its options moving forward. Talissa Saganto, ABC News, Brisbane.